currently standing in the floodplain of the East Fork of the White River. We're out here because we're interested in what happens to the topsoil during floods. I sent a team of undergraduates out placing sensors to try to record the progression of the flood wave. They're little sensors that measure pressure, which is proportional to water depth. So we probably have maybe 20 scattered throughout the floodplain. The drone is in the air right now collecting LiDAR. That's going to help us understand precisely how the surface has changed.
I really enjoy using aerial-based remote sensing, so like LiDARs on drones for field research. I think it's in a really emerging field. This is a Harris H6 heavy payload drone. It's carrying our LiDAR sensor. It's a very valuable piece of equipment that sends out 100,000 pulses of light per second. Each of those pulses of light gives us an exact measurement to the ground and any point that it hits. And with that data, we can make a lot of measurements.
This year, the big flood gave us an opportunity to really understand how these big events reshape landscapes, with the eventual goal of trying to better conserve the topsoil, which is an important economic resource in the state of Indiana.